Hello everyone, good morning. This is me, Rini Gupta, back with the Daily Tech News Bulletin. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, here's the answer to yesterday's quiz. Which year did the first Amazon Web Service launch to the public? The answer is 2006. Now for today's question. Which mission is equipped with the Aspix coronagraph? Think you know? Drop your guess in the comments. Tune in tomorrow for the answer. First on the dock, the Reserve Bank of India has formed an 8-member committee named Free AI, chaired by Pushpak Bhattacharya from IIT Bombay. This panel will develop a framework for responsible and ethical AI use in financial services. It aims to assess AI adoption, review global regulatory practices, identify risks, and recommend governance frameworks. The report is expected within 6 months. Up next, we have Microsoft and OpenAI have reportedly defined Artificial General Intelligence, or AGI, as an AI system capable of generating at least $100 billion in profits. This definition highlights their different paths. Microsoft integrates in-house AI into Copilot 365 products to cut costs, while OpenAI pivots to a for-profit model to raise capital. YouTube is testing a Play Something button on its mobile app, a feature aimed at simplifying content discovery. Similar to Netflix's Random Play tool, the button plays shorts and regular videos in a portrait layout, with controls for liking, commenting, and sharing. Spotted in version 1950 for Android, this feature promises an effortless viewing experience. OnePlus is making waves and has introduced a new tablet in China under the OnePlus Pad name. Powered by MediaTek's Dimensity 8350 chipset, it features up to 12 GB of RAM and an 11.6-inch 2.8K display with a 144 Hz refresh rate. It's priced at CNY 1099 and comes with a 9520 mAh battery supporting 67W fast charging. Though exclusive to China for now, it may debut globally during the OnePlus 13 series launch on January 7th. OpenAI's ChatGPT search feature is reportedly vulnerable to hidden text manipulation. Developers can embed hidden text on websites to deceive the AI, skewing its responses. Tests revealed that ChatGPT's answers could be altered by adding fake positive reviews or hidden instructions, raising serious concerns about its reliability and potential misuse. OpenAI plans to transition its for-profit arm into a Delaware public benefit corporation. This shift will allow OpenAI to raise capital while balancing shareholder and public interests. Critics, including co-founder Elon Musk, worry this could dilute OpenAI's mission to prioritize safety in AI development. Hackers have targeted multiple Chrome browser extensions in a campaign starting in December. One victim, Cyberhaven, reported a malicious attack on Christmas Eve. These extensions, which enhance web browsing, have become vulnerable points for cyber attacks. Cyberhaven is cooperating with law enforcement to address the issue, and users are advised to keep their extensions updated for security. That's all for today's bulletin. For more tech updates, stay tuned to IT Voice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day.